So I'm going to be going over 5 cryptocurrency tips for beginners to be using in 2021 and beyond. Now, if you're thinking about getting into crypto, I highly recommend it. I've been involved in this space for the last 6 or 7 years, and I'm going to have both my Coinbase and eToro accounts pulled up. And I do want to show you, where I've been for the last year. It's been actually a really crazy year for me. So my account grew from 3,000 over 100,000, and we're back down to 30. I've taken some profits along the way, which you're not really going to be able to see here, but I have learned a few things that I do want to pass along to you. Now, if you guys could also smash a like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please do that as well. Now, the first thing, and this is very important, research before you buy anything. Now, there are a few different ways that you can do this on both eToro and Coinbase, which I'm going to show you here. Now, any coins that you look at buying, there is going to be a news feed. There's also going to be built-in communities into some of this stuff. And you could also, check the websites out for the different projects. Now, I'm going to pull up the graph real quick here. You can pull up different price charts. Obviously, you also want to take a look at the price because you don't want to be buying coins that are like skyrocketing. Normally, you want to wait for the price to be going down a little bit before you buy in. That's kind of one of the keys here. But, the Graph Crypto, you can check out their website. You can check out all the websites for these different coins so you can at least learn a little bit about what they're trying to accomplish. And you could also head over to Google, type in whatever the coin you're looking at is. You can find different groups, like they have Reddit groups and different communities as well. So research, guys, that's very important, right? The next thing I would recommend doing is sticking with the top 30 coins. There's a website called coinmarketcap.com. This pulls up all of the coins out there, from the top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, all the way down to coins you've never heard of before. But I would stick to the top 20 and top 30 coins because I just think that's going to give you the best results for like success. You don't want to be buying coins that are ranked like 200, hoping that the price is going to go up. You want to get some coins that have been around for a while. And if you look at the top 10 or top 20 or top 30, you're going to find some coins with some stable price points. The next thing you're going to want to do here is buy 5 different coins. And I'm going to go over some coin recommendations. This isn't going to be financial advice. Do your own research, but let's say you have $1,000. I would put $200 into 5 different coins so you kind of like spread your money out. And, if one coin goes down a lot, you don't like freak out and panic. But Ethereum would be a coin I would recommend. I'd also recommend checking out Chainlink. It is up a lot for the last year, but I do think Chainlink could get up to $20 to $30 for sure. Another coin I really like is going to be Stellar XLM. This coin's also up a lot for the year, but it's got a lot of potential to go higher. It's taken a little bit of a downtrend recently, but I think if you can get this one between like 10 and 13 cents and you're willing to hold on to it for a while, I could definitely see it going up quite a bit. Now, I'm going to pull up eToro because there's a couple coins I like over here as well. I do like Tron TRX. This is a top 20 coin. It's down right now for me personally, but it's up for the year. I do like this coin a lot, and if you can get it under 3 cents, I think it's a good buy. I could see it getting up to like 10 to 15 cents for sure. I also like XRP. Now, there is a lot of speculation around this coin. It's been in the top 3 to top 4 coins for a while. It's taken a price beating, but there is opportunity here if you can get it between, 17 and, 25 cents. You're willing to hold on to it for a while. I definitely think it's a good one. Now, you also need to figure out how long you want to hold these coins for. So you can do what's called swing trading. That's what I've done here on Coinbase. It's allowed me to, grow my account to what it is over the last year. That's where you buy in and then you hold for a little bit and then sell at some point, whether it's a few days or a few weeks, and then you kind of like rinse and repeat. You could also hold for the long term where you hold for over a year. If you're just trying to do it that way, you can do it that way as well. And then another thing, guys, don't get emotional if a coin goes down. I've had times where I've been down thousands of dollars and I haven't like panic sold. You got to remember why you bought in a particular coin. And as long as you kind of stick with those fundamentals and you don't forget that, just don't get emotional and just sell, because it does suck losing money. So anyways, hope these 5 tips help you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to message me below. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.